I know the paint is missing. This is a first of a first. I can't remember what this thing's called. It's an all battery lithium Jeep looking. It's like a Jeep and a golf cart had a baby, and this is what I'm working on. And it's a really sharp dent. Very, very, very sharp. I want to make sure I can get the pit out best as I can without doing more paint damage to it. So I have this heat gun on the panel to get it up to temp to make sure everything can move nice. Got the pit out pretty well. Now I need to blend it, see what the true lows look like again, and rinse and repeat. It was a big old high spot. I blended it down. It's actually pretty flat for how bad the scarring is. I adjusted the board, fixed the directional, added a little bit more heat back on it again. I think this should be the last pass. It's a super sharp guy and it's super accurate, and that's what I want to be able to hit a super fine area. What side do I use? That's the hard part. I think we'll use this one. So even though the paint's missing here, there's two ways you could go about this. We could do a push to paint, get the panel nice and flat, so you just do a skim coat, or I get it flat and you do a premium touch-up job and you don't have to paint or blend this panel to other panels. I know the paint is missing. That's not the issue. The issue is the dent. We are called just a dent. So that's that sharp dent on the hood.